Today we're gonna make some pancake. I have my three eggs, and then I have some water here, a bowl, and serving plates. And then I have this. It's a complete pancake mix. It's written just add water, but for me I will add water and some egg because I want it to taste the egg color. So I'm gonna do my eggs there. Alright. Since we are not adding anything like sugar or salt, so we're gonna mix the eggs like that. Then using this one to measure, maybe you can put like 3, 1, since I'm not making a lot of pancakes. So, and 3. I want to make like 10 or 7. Then you add your water. In the process, I'm using this pan, and then you will need these 2 spoons. This one for scooping the fry, and this one for what? Ya kugeuza, turning the pancakes when it's on the pan. You need to mix this thoroughly until all the fry is mixed with egg and it's smooth. Make it smooth. Make it smooth, make it smooth, make it smooth, make it smooth. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Make it smooth, make it smooth, make it smooth. Make it smooth, make it smooth, make it smooth. Almost done. We should add a little bit. Now it's good. So this one is for scooping. You see how it looks? You see? And the color, I think it's too right. You need to add a little bit of, mix it again. It's good. Don't make it so smooth because it's gonna stick on your pan. See? Yeah. Our pan is hot now. I'm gonna get a spoon for putting some oil in the pan. I have my oil already. Let me bring it close. see? Too hot. It looks good. Yeah. We did it! I know it's so yummy. It's so sweet. You must try this.